हेलो बच्चों, see this question. Silicon and hydrogen compounds, silanes, are few in number while alkanes are larger in number. So we have to justify this statement. So let us see the key concept of this question. The key concept of this question is carbon family. This question is from the carbon family. And the carbon family have the element carbon, silicon, germanium, lead, tin. These are the elements present in the carbon family. In this question, they are talking about the silanes and alkanes. As they have already prescribed that the silanes are silicon and hydrogen compounds. Silanes are silicon and hydrogen compounds, whereas alkanes consist of carbon and hydrogen in which all the carbon bond are single, in which all the carbon bond are single. So we have seen what are the silanes and what are the alkanes. In this question, they said that the silicon hydrogen compounds, these silanes are less in number while alkanes are larger in number. It is due to the catenation power of the carbon. So let us see what is catenation. Catenation is the power to make long chains. Long chains. And the catenation power of carbon is much greater than this silicon. Even the catenation power of carbon is the most in the periodic table. And it is due to its smaller size, which makes the carbon bonds stronger, which makes the carbon bond, single bond carbon, more stronger, while silicon bonds are comparatively weaker due to its large size. We can write about the silicon. The silicon, we can see the silicon shows less catenation, power due to its large size, Therefore, silicon does not have enough bond strength to hold together these large molecules. तो हम यहाँ से बोल सकते हैं इस रीजन से कैटिनेशन की वजह से जो कार्बन जो है अपने लॉन्ग चेन बनाता जाता है और हम इसके साथ हाइड्रोजन ऐड करते जाते हैं टू कंप्लीट इट्स वैलेंसी। तो जो अल्केन्स होते हैं वो लार्जर इन नंबर होते हैं, वेयरएस जो सिलिकॉन है इनका साइज काफी बड़ा होता है एज कंपेयर टू द कार्बन। तो ये बहुत ज्यादा लंबी चेन नहीं बना पाते हैं जैसे कार्बन बना पाता है। एंड सिलिकॉन के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच होते हैं तो वो सिलिकॉन हाइड्रोजन कंपाउंड जो है less हो जाते हैं. So we can say the silanes are fewer in number while alkanes are larger in number. So this is the explanation for this. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.